In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off badges on iMessage. Turning off badges on iMessage can significantly reduce anxiety and distractions by eliminating the constant visual reminder of unread messages. This helps you focus on tasks without feeling the need to check your phone frequently. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the Settings page, scroll down to the option of Messages. On this page, head to Notifications. You will then navigate onto the option of Badges. Make sure to disable this option. When turned off, whenever you receive a new message, badges won't appear on the iMessage app. This promotes a healthier relationship with your device, allowing you to engage with messages on your own time rather than feeling compelled by the presence of notification badges. That's how easy it is to remove badge notifications on iMessage. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.